In this video, we will solve integral of 1 upon cosine of 2 times x minus 1 with respect to x by using simple trigonometry identity. Let I be equal to integration of 1 upon cosine of 2 times x minus 1 with respect to x. We know the famous identity for any angle x, cosine of 2 times x is equal to 1 minus 2 times square of sine of x. The video card appearing in the upper right corner contains the derivation of the identity. The link of the video is also given in the description section. So I replaced cosine of 2 times x in above integrand with 1 minus 2 times square of sine of x. 1 and minus 1 cancel out, so we are left with integration of 1 upon minus 2 times square of sine of x with respect to x. We can write the above integral as minus 1 upon 2 times square of sine of x with respect to x, and half is a constant, so we can take out the constant half, and 1 upon square of sine of x is square of 1 upon sine of x, as 1 is square of 1. So I is equal to half of integral of minus square of 1 upon sine of x. We know 1 upon sine of x is cosecant of x, so I is equal to half of integral of minus square of cosecant of x with respect to x. We know derivative of cotangent of x is equal to minus square of cosecant of x. The card appearing in the upper right corner of the video contains the link of the video how to find derivative of cotangent of x. The link of the video is also given in the description section. So from the above equation we can derive the fact that cotangent of x is the antiderivative of minus square of cosecant of x. So I is equal to half of cotangent of x plus capital C. Capital C is the arbitrary constant of indefinite integral. Never forget to add this constant. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to the video, or if you think I should make a video on any other topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.